Hi everyone, this is Suishyball. Today I will be making a fireman's helmet. I'm going to first start out with a ball of red Play-Doh and some black Play-Doh that I'm going to roll out into a thin line. Okay, so that's pretty thin enough. We're going to use this ball of Play-Doh to make the base of the helmet. So with this ball of red Play-Doh, I'm going to kind of make an oval, since the base of the helmet is kind of oval. And I'm going to flatten that oval out. So that's going to be the base plate. Okay, and with this black line, I'm going to make the rim. Okay, the rim is on now. Next, I'm going to take another ball of Play-Doh, pretty good size one, and I'm going to flatten it on this flat surface on one side of the ball. And this is going to become the head portion, where the head goes in the helmet. And I want to flatten it out pretty nice. Okay, and I'm going to put it a little bit more forward because the back is supposed to be longer to keep the water off the neck of the fireman. So I'm going to just press in the bottom here so it looks more attached to the base. Okay, next I've made a line of red Play-Doh, and this I'm going to add the structural ridges on the helmet. So there's one. And there's two. Three. And four. And I'm going to add three more to the other side. Okay, and there's all the ridges, which give support and structure to the helmet to make it rigid and strong. Next, I'm going to flatten out a ball of yellow Play-Doh, and we're going to make the fluorescent stickers on the helmet. The fluorescent stickers help the firefighter to be seen in low light because they reflect light really well. So with that, I'm going to cut out little trapezoids, which are shapes that have two parallel sides and two non-parallel sides. Okay, so to make the trapezoid, I'm going to cut like that, and then like that, and like that, like that, and then like that. So these trapezoid stickers are gonna go right here in between the ridges. Next, I'm going to make the front piece of the helmet, and that's the plate that goes in the front of the helmet. To do that, I'm going to flatten out a piece of black Play-Doh. That's going to be the bottom right here. And the top, I'm going to cut it to a point. So let's see how that fits. It's a little bit too big, so I'm going to cut off a little bit of the bottom here. Okay, that's pretty good. And I'm going to just round out the corners. Okay, I'm going to cut the corners off a little bit. I think it looks a little better that way. Now we're going to put the details on the front piece. I'm going to take a little bit of red Play-Doh, flatten it out a little. I'm going to use the card to cut an oval shape. Like that. I'm gonna put some more detail on there. And I'm also gonna cut off a little rectangle. And I'm gonna draw a little F and F for Firefighter. I'll put a 7. Okay, the front piece is done. It's just gonna go right up the front there. And now we only have one more thing to add, and that's the front piece holder, which is normally a brass eagle that holds the front piece there. I'm gonna mold a brown piece of Play-Doh into a triangular shape, and the tip I'm going to make it come out. It's gonna go right there. I'm gonna add some lines. On the other side too. And there's our firefighter helmet. Here's an up close view of it. Hope you guys enjoyed making this together with me, and I'll see you guys next time.